Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today we'll just be exploring more of Jurong West, and we'll be going to this small park area that was recently opened. So I went there yesterday to just check out what it looked like, and it was quite nice. And some surprises later on. So the park is located in Bulim Avenue on the This is the heavy vehicles parking lot, and on the next intersection right there is you go here, you turn left and go straight. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's those two yellow gates on the far diagonal corner over there, and that's the entrance to the park. Yeah. Okay, right now we are about to enter the park. So bear in mind, the park itself is relatively small, and I think it was mainly built for the employees who work here. So there's water coolers there, trash bins, plenty of seating. Birds-wise, I saw a couple of bulbuls, an Asian Openbill, and a bunch of other interesting creatures. Yeah, so the trail is smooth, easy to ride on. This area is quite open, quite nice, but later on, some of the areas, the grass is taller. Yeah. So yeah, for reference, this is the KWE building and the Mazark building surrounding it. And okay, first point of interest. This shelter here was where I saw the Asian open bill. So there was lander right in front of me. So the sitting place over there, and this is the tall grass I was talking about. So later on we will go that side, and there's a bridge over there. So yeah, let's keep going while the sun is still not that hot. Let's go. So as you can see, this area is quite long. Apart from those birds, I also saw zebra doves, spotted doves. Yeah. And over there, I can't remember the name. I can't remember the exact name, but it's a water bird with like a red bill, like some plover or something. I can't remember. I'll check it out later. Okay. Here is one of the bridges. And as we enter, I hear some starlings too. So this part is actually a walkway down here from the stairs, but it's closed, chained off. So this pond here is where I also saw the Asian openbill fly from over there, and then here, and start fishing for food. Yeah. So we'll continue that side, and we'll just loop around the end. You can also hear quite a bit of fighter jets because Tonga Air Base. So right now I'm seeing a bunch of other small birds Bulbuls, whatnot. We got some dragonflies, two crows fighting. This place is quite nice, really nice. Yeah. So do note, the staircases that lead into this, the stone paths here are all closed at the moment. See some bulbuls ahead of us. What bird is that? Never seen it before. It's running across the grass. Okay, but anyways, continuing to the end. Okay, the wind is nice. So mainly some garden birds in this part. So this is part of the new MRT lines, I think. JRL, Jurong Regional Line. And, later on, we'll go near one of the stations. Yeah, it's called Bulim Park or something, and it's located around that area. Yeah. I've never been here before, so this area is quite nice. Yeah, lizards too. There's a bunch of lizards. Okay, continuing on. Do be noted there's a bunch of millipedes and centipedes on the floor, which I'm assuming is due to the garden here. No open bills yet. Still early in the morning. And time wise, it's about 9, close to 9. It's reaching 9 right now. Yeah. Wait, I see those birds. Yes, still, I forgot their names. And Google isn't really giving me much of an answer, but there's two there. There's one here. There's one more visible over there. Yeah. Oh, look, that's the Asian Openbill. I think it might be the same one. Let's try and see if... Is it gonna land? Scared off a bunch of small birds. Oh, look, there's one right here. Yeah, so, like I said, Asian Openbills, quite cool. Yeah, really nice. What cool birds. You know, they look so massive when they fly. It's honestly really nice. Right, and in this park, there's hammocks under sand. More sitting spaces. We are approaching the MRT station. And that's one of the structures for the kids to play at. So, red structure. Yeah. And we got a bunch more play areas here. There's obstacle course, some trampolines, and a seesaw. Okay, I am going to end the vlog here. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Okay, so just some more additional things. While I was at Bulim Park, which is over there, I spotted some tiger shrike. Yeah, they were fairly easy to spot, sitting on tree branches. And here in this bridge area, I also see some white-headed Munias over there. And yeah, so this place might actually be quite good for birding for maybe more inexperienced photographers like me who don't really know all the good spots and whatnot, it's a lot easier to find birds here. Just something to keep in mind. This place has a lot of diversity birds wise, and yeah, you guys should definitely come.